Hello students, welcome to the chemistry world. Today I am going to discuss about trick to get metal bonds in metal carbonyls. So today I will discuss about 5 examples. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. So first of all, example 1. Cobalt carbonyl. So let us see how many metal bonds present in this metal carbonyl. So first of all, we have to know the atomic number of cobalt. So what is the atomic number of cobalt? 27. So what is the outermost configuration? Organ 4s2 3d7. So the valence electrons are 9 electrons. Okay, now next, how many ligands are present here? 8 ligands, means it gives 16 electrons. So the trick is number of valency electrons into how many cobalt atoms are there? 2 plus 16 electrons which are donating by the ligands, the total which gives 34. Remember this, and we have to do another one. 18 into n, we have to get some which is x, which is compulsorily related, nearly similar to the this value. So here n belongs to the covalency of metal carbonyl. Okay, now see, 18 into 2 is equals to 36. So there is difference between these two values. So the difference between 36 minus 34 divided by 2 is equals to 2 is equals to 1, and the presence of metal bond is 1. So here the metal bond is 1 for cobalt to octacarbonyl. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, from this second example we can easily understand Mn2CO10. So first of all, configuration: organ 4s2 3d5, 7 electrons, right? There are 2 Mns, so 7 into 2 14. Okay, next, plus how many ligands are present? 10 ligands, means which gives 10 into 2 electrons, so 20 electrons. So 14 plus 20, how much we got? 34. But we have the formula 18 into n is equals to some x. It should we have to difference these two values, then we get the number of metal bonds. Okay, now 18 into how much? What is the covalency of this manganese? 2, right? So 18 into 2 is equals to x, 36. Here also we get 36 minus 34 divided by 2 is equals to 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Okay, now here also the number of metal bonds in Mn2CO10 is 1. Next we considered major bonds in metal carbonyls. Next example, third example. Okay, are you seeing this? Okay, next example, CO4 CO12. It is cobalt carbonyl. Okay, I am writing here. So the valence electrons of cobalt already we have learned, 9 electrons. into how much, what is the valency here? 4 into 4 whole plus how many ligands are there? 12. How many electrons? Each ligand gives 2 electrons. Okay, so 12 into 2, 24, right? So 9 4s are 36 plus 12 2s are 24. We got 60. Okay, we have the formula what here? 18 into n should be some x. What is the covalency here? N 4. Okay, 18 into 4 is equals to x. We have 72 here. So we have to difference both these values. So 72 minus 60 by 2 is equals to 12 by 2. So here we are getting 6 metal bonds in this particular carbonyl. Okay, so the metal bonds present in cobalt 4 carbonyl 12 is R6. So in these cases we easily get this type of metal bonds, and I will give you another one, Fe3CO12. When we take numerous examples, this trick will gonna work out, and try this and comment below. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, ask me in the comment section. Thank you.